How to log in into the Walgreens Employee Portal. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Walgreens login and then search for it. With that, you'll be directed to this kind of page where you can find different website links. Navigate to this one website option. Just go ahead and open it, walgreens.com. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in your email address. Then go ahead and type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can click on the option of forgot password to recover it. Then you can click on the option of sign in. After you fill this, you will be logged into your account. Likewise, in the case you haven't created your account yet, click on the option of create a new account and go through the process. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily log into Walgreens Employee Portal. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.